Are you tired of staring at your screen, wondering which investment platform truly aligns with your financial goals? Do you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options, each promising to be the best? Well, you're not alone. When it comes to managing your money, choosing the right brokerage can feel like a monumental decision. And today, we're diving deep into three of the most popular contenders in the investment arena: M1 Finance, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity. These aren't just names on a list, they represent distinct philosophies and approaches to investing. On one side, you have M1 Finance, the disruptor, the innovator, built for the modern, automated investor. On the other, you have the titans, Charles Schwab and Fidelity, stalwarts of the financial industry, offering comprehensive services that have stood the test of time. But the real question isn't just about their reputations, it's about which one is the best for you. We're going to break down every critical aspect, from their fee structures and investment options to their user experience and customer support. We'll explore who each platform is designed for, the unique features they offer, and where they might fall short. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of M1 Finance, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity, empowering you to make an informed decision that sets you on the path to financial success. Let's start with a high-level overview of each platform to set the stage. M1 Finance, the automated investor's dream. M1 Finance emerged as a fresh face in the brokerage world, catering to those who want a blend of automation and control. Its core philosophy revolves around pies, which are essentially custom portfolios of stocks and ETFs that you design or choose from expert-curated options. Once you set up your pie, M1 Finance handles the rebalancing and investing for you, automatically allocating new deposits according to your target percentages. This hands-off approach is a huge draw for passive investors, those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You're not actively trading stocks throughout the day. Instead, you're building a long-term strategy and letting M1 execute it efficiently. M1 also offers fractional shares, meaning you can invest any amount of money into a stock or ETF, even if it's less than the full share price. This is incredibly beneficial for beginners with smaller capital who want diversified portfolios. Beyond investing, M1 Finance has expanded into a full financial ecosystem. They offer M1 Spend, a checking account with a debit card, and M1 Borrow, a low-cost portfolio line of credit. The M1 Plus membership, a premium offering, unlocks even more features like a higher interest rate on cash and more trading windows. Charles Schwab, the industry giant with a modern edge. Charles Schwab is a household name in financial services, and for good reason. They've been a leader in the brokerage space for decades, offering a comprehensive suite of services that appeal to a wide range of investors, from beginners to active traders. Schwab is known for its robust trading platforms, extensive research tools, and exceptional customer service. One of Schwab's biggest strengths is its diverse investment selection. You can trade stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, bonds, and even futures and forex. Their Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offer a commission-free robo-advisor service, making automated investing accessible without management fees. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, their Thinkorswim platform, acquired from TD Ameritrade, is a powerful tool for advanced traders, offering sophisticated charting, analysis, and order types. Schwab also offers a strong banking component with its investor checking account, which provides unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide and no foreign transaction fees. This integrated approach can be very convenient for managing both your investments and everyday finances in one place. Fidelity, the investor's ally with a focus on value. Fidelity is another titan in the investment world, often lauded for its strong commitment to individual investors. Like Schwab, Fidelity offers a vast array of investment products and services, but it often distinguishes itself with its focus on low-cost investing, extensive educational resources, and a user-friendly experience that caters to all levels of expertise. Fidelity is particularly known for its zero-expense ratio index funds, making it incredibly attractive for long-term, passive investors looking to minimize fees. They also offer a wide selection of no-transaction fee mutual funds and ETFs. Their trading platforms, including Fidelity.com and Active Trader Pro, are well regarded for their usability and powerful research capabilities. Beyond self-directed investing, Fidelity provides excellent retirement planning tools, access to financial advisors, and a comprehensive suite of banking services. They also offer fractional shares for a massive selection of stocks and ETFs, making it easy to invest small amounts and build diversified portfolios. Fidelity also has a strong track record of innovation, being one of the first major brokers to offer direct cryptocurrency trading for certain assets. Deep dive, fees and minimums. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room for many investors, fees. M1 Finance generally operates on a commission-free model for stock and ETF trades. There are no trading commissions, no management fees for their basic service, and no account minimums to open an account. However, if you opt for M1 Plus, their premium subscription, it comes with an annual fee. This fee unlocks benefits like a higher APY on your M1 Spend account, a lower interest rate on M1 Borrow, and additional trading windows. For most passive, long-term investors, the free tier of M1 Finance is perfectly sufficient. Be aware of some miscellaneous fees for things like paper statements or outgoing transfers, though these are typically avoidable. Schwab also boasts commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. They have no account minimums to open a brokerage account. Their Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, their robo-advisor service, is truly commission-free and carries no advisory fees, which is a significant advantage. For options trades, there's a per-contract fee, which is standard across the industry. While Schwab generally keeps fees low, it's worth noting their outgoing transfer fee, which can be higher than some competitors if you decide to move your assets elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.